feeling constantly stressed and overwhelmed? Mindfulness might be the key to finding calm in your daily life. It's about being fully present in the moment without judgment, a powerful tool for reducing stress, boosting concentration, and enhancing your overall well-being. Let's dive in. Mindfulness is the ability to focus your attention on what's happening right now without getting swept away by thoughts or feelings about the past or future. It's like a mental workout that helps you observe your thoughts and emotions without judging them, allowing you to step back from the constant stream of your mind. Research shows that practicing mindfulness can actually change the structure and function of your brain. Regular practice can increase activity in areas associated with attention, emotional regulation, and empathy. Studies have shown improvements in these areas in up to 30% of participants. It is a really powerful tool. The benefits of mindfulness are numerous and well documented. You'll find a reduction in stress as you become less reactive to stressful situations. It boosts concentration and focus, helps you manage difficult emotions in a healthier way, and many people report improved sleep quality with regular mindfulness practice. Let's try a simple breathing exercise. Sit comfortably, either in a chair or on the floor. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Notice your breath as it comes in and out of your body. When your thoughts wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, a body scan. Lie down on your back on a comfortable surface. Start by focusing on your toes. Notice any sensations, warmth, cold, or pressure. Slowly move your attention up your body. Feet, ankles, legs, knees, thighs, and so on. If you encounter any tension or discomfort, accept it without judgment. Just observe. Now let's explore mindful eating. Choose a small piece of food, like a raisin or a piece of fruit. Take a close look at it. Notice the colour, shape, and texture. Then smell the food. What scents do you notice? Take a small bite and let it sit on your tongue. Notice the flavours. Chew slowly and deliberately, paying attention to how the taste changes. Experience the sensation as you swallow. Start incorporating mindfulness into your daily life gradually. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Remember that developing mindfulness takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Mindfulness isn't only meant for a specific meditation period. It's about incorporating mindful awareness into everything you do. Notice the details around you. Pay attention when you are doing dishes. Take a short walking break and focus on each and every step. Making small changes can make a big impact. So mindfulness is a powerful tool to help reduce stress, increase focus, and improve your overall well-being. Remember to start small, be patient, and bring that present moment awareness into all aspects of your life. Ready to take your mindfulness journey further? Download Harmony for free today and get a 14-day trial to start practicing.